Skill number 9 from the reading part, determine meanings from word parts. When you are asked to determine the meaning of a long word that you do not know in the reading section, it is sometimes possible to determine the meaning of the word by studying the word parts. Now let's check this example together. The underlined word vividly in line 6 is the word vividly in line 6 closest in meaning to A, in a cultured way, B, in a correct way, C, in a lifelike way, or D, in a brief way. The question here asks about the word vividly. In order to answer this question, notice that the word vividly contains the part viv, which means life. So, therefore, answer C is the correct answer. Another example here asks about the word misspelled in the passage. If you notice the word misspelled here, it is at the end of paragraph, almost at the end of paragraph 1. The word misspelled here also has the part miss, which means error, mistake, or incorrect. Therefore, the best answer for the question here is incorrectly written. Another example here asks about the meaning of the word diction. The word diction here also contains the part dic, D-I-C. This part means speak. So, therefore, the best answer here to the word diction is speech. Here in this table, you have a list of some word parts. If you notice in this table, you have the part, the meaning of the part, and an example for each part. For example, we have here the part contra, which means against. An example, the word contrast. The part mal means bad. An example, malcontent. The part mis means error, incorrect, or mistake. The example here is mistake. The part sub means under. An example, subway. The part dec means 10. An example, the word decade. The part multi means many. For example, multiple. SOL means one. For example, solo. TRI means 3. For example, the word treble. The part DIC means to say. An example, dictates. The part domin means master. For example, dominant. The part GUD means judge. For example, the word judgment. The part MOR means death. For example, the word mortal. The part SPEC means see. An example, the word spectator. The part TERR means earth. For example, the word territory. The part VER means turn. An example, the word divert. The part VIV means live. An example, the word revive. Here you have the answers to the reading section for skill number 9. In this part, you have 2 passages, and here you have the answers for the questions. Good luck to you, dear students.